Hi.
Good afternoon.
So today you gave what test
Yes.
and you had L permit before that. L permit, learner's permit.
Yeah.
So now you'll be having your P permit. So let me know how many times you did the attempts and how was your experience with Pawnesh from KAR Skillz.
How many times that I?
You gave what exam?
That is the second time that I have the exam.
Yep.
And my experience is, for the first time, I fell in giveaway and the parallel parking, and then I just need to focus on the thing that I have felt before, and practice more, and then just take time to practice, and for this second time I pass.
Okay. So in which things you were requiring training and how did Pawnesh help you in on those things? Like what you were not, you were struggling and he helped you.
The thing that I was struggling is focus focus on driving, because sometimes a lot of thing when driving, a lot of thing that we might need to be mindful, like signal, the lane, speed. And then when I have the section with the instructor, he always talk uh, remind me about this thing, and that actually sometimes it's a bit nervous, but those things will help a lot during the exam.
Yeah. So he was very firm with you, isn't it?
Yes.
But still you managed to keep on going with him. What
uh,
made you feel continuing with KAR Skillz, Pawnesh?
He actually big strict when I have the section with him when I did a mistakes. But the thing is, he's tried to give me the best advice, which is the way, what is the best way that's suitable for me, and advise me when I have some mistakes. And yep.
Yep. So today you'll be having your peace and you will be very happy.
Yes, I'm very
This was
happy.
your dream since quite long, isn't it? A new life, independent life.
Yes, and now I can drive.
Yeah. Okay, best luck and you have a nice and safe driving.
Thank you.
Good holidays driving yourself.
Thank you
Meet your
so
friends, have a good social life.
Thank you so much
No
for helping
worries.
me with the driving.
No problems at all.